Okay, so I've got a Kryptonite lock, all very similar, the different brands, and the key just won't unlock it. I tried it. I used to think that if I tried it the other way around it made a difference, but it's kind of stopped even working that way now. So, two things. First of all, if you're finding the lock has gone stiff or it's rusty, don't put any WD in it, WD-40. That's just going to sort of mix up with all the metal filings and sort of gunk it all up. What you want is this stuff. Graphite. It's basically, the lead that you find in pencils, the shavings, but in a powder form. See that? Very fine. Just pop some of that in there. You can put it in the joints here as well when you get it open. And that will free up any sort of rustiness in the lock, any binding. But fundamentally, I'm just going to show you this key is worn so badly now. That's the problem. I kept trying the graphite and it wasn't working, so this is the new one, and you can see the difference. So now I'm going to pop this one in here. I'm like the jailer, aren't I? Too many bloody keys. Right. See? That works perfectly now. So what I'm going to do is contact Kryptonite and give them the code of this key and get another spare one made. So that one's now going in the bin or recycling. So that's how you solve that.